We open on a close-up shot of a scale, with a woman in her 30s standing on it. She frowns at the number displayed in size. I can't keep doing this, I need to lose weight. Cut to the woman getting dressed and heading to her kitchen. She pulls out a notebook and starts jotting down notes. Okay, first step, I need to figure out my daily calorie intake. She opens her laptop and begins researching online. According to this calculator, I need to eat around 1,500 calories a day to lose weight. She writes this number down in her notebook and continues her research. Next step, I need to find a workout routine that works for me. Cut to the woman in workout clothes, doing some stretches in her living room. I don't have time to go to the gym, but I can do some exercises at home. She starts doing some squats, lunges, and push-ups. I'll do this routine 3 times a week, and maybe go for a walk on the other days. Cut to the woman cooking a healthy meal in her kitchen. I need to start eating more vegetables, lean protein, and less junk food. She sautés some spinach and mushrooms and grills a piece of chicken. I can still have treats, but in moderation. Cut to the woman weighing herself again, a few weeks later. She smiles at the lower number displayed. I'm making progress, I feel better already.